Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for May 20 to 26, 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount extended hanggang May 31, 2024. Ayan. So, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyong mag-book for a private reading. So, let's see, Sag. What is up with you ngayong week na to, May 20 to 26? Your overall energy. Okay. Queen of Wands, you are in your own element. Ayan. Free. Freedom. There's freedom. And also, parang center of attention rin kayo ngayong week na to, no? May a certain achievement. Parang meron ding, someone might be attracted sa'yo. Or you are attracting someone. Let's see your challenge. What is the challenge? 3 of Cups. Okay, pwede magkaroon ng challenge. Issue with a friend. Ngayong week na to. Sa isang kaibigan. Baka magkaroon ng tampuhan, misunderstanding, miscommunication. Pwede rin merong cause of delay dito. Meron kayong plano na magkakaibigan. Or pwede kahit ikaw mismo, plano mo on your own na magkakaaberya ng konti. No? May delay. Pwedeng hindi matuloy. Pwede namang na-delay lang. Oo. What is the opportunity? Ace of Cups. New source of happiness for some of you. May potential romantic connection din. Someone is makikipag-ayos. Merong peace offering. Pwedeng ikaw, makikipag-ayos ka sa isang tao or someone is magre-reach out sa'yo para makipag-ayos. Can be your friend. So, pwedeng ito yung magkakaroon ng issue with a friend, problema, misunderstanding, tapos eventually, within the week, maayos nyo rin naman. Ganun naman talaga ang pagkakaibigan. May mga tampuhan. Let's see your blessing. Wow, 9 of Pentacles. Money, money, money. You are blessed with financial stability, abundance. I also see you going to places, no, na tahimik, tapos nakakapag-relax ka. Pwedeng mag-check-in ka sa isang magandang hotel, 5-star hotel, no? Or accommodation na talagang shala. Oo, maganda. Ang medyo may pagka-aesthetic. Tapos maganda yung service nung hotel na yon or nung accommodation na yon. This is also spending time with yourself. I also see you na mas i-bless ka with more knowledge, kaalaman, para mapaunlad mo yung finances mo. Pwedeng ikaw ay may mga matututunan din ngayong week na to, kung paano mo mas mapapalago yung pera mo. May iba sa inyo, may mga pinapanood na videos about how to grow your money, or you are reading books. What is the Queen of Wands? Page of Pentacles. I think yung inyong creative talents and skills ay gagawin nyo na siyang pagkakakitaan. Oo. Diba may talent ka? O magaling kang maggitara. So, hindi lang siya basta creating contents na magre-record ka ng mga acoustic versions ng gitara, no? Anong gitara? Using your guitar. Di ba may mga gano'n, nag-upload ng mga acoustic versions ng mga mga music, ng mga songs. Or pwede rin namang magtuturo ka, no? Ikaw ay magiging guitar instructor. It's about you na using your abilities, your talents para magsimula ng isang business. Or maaring matatanggap ka sa isang trabaho na mas magagamit mo yung iyong talento, yung abilidad mo. What is the Three of Cups? Ace of Wands. Okay. Pwedeng meron kang matutuklasan about someone. Can be sa kaibigan mo na pwedeng itinago niya sa'yo for some reasons. Maybe gusto lang naman niyang proteksyonan ka. I don't know kung ano yon, but I think maaayos niya naman yan eventually. Some of you, ang isa sa challenge nyo nga is travel opportunities na madidelay. Oo. Pero marami kayong travel opportunities. So, pwedeng isa lang dyan yung madidelay. What is the Ace of Cups? The Page of Cups. Oh. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay sexually active, possible na may opportunity na magkaroon ng baby. Okay? So, kung kayo ay hindi pa ready, you have to be careful. Okay? Pero kung kayo ay ready, then by all means, welcome the new baby into your life. This can also mean pwede siyang hindi naman literal na baby, but giving birth to a new source of happiness. This can be a new project, a new job, a new career, a new relationship. Parang may meron ditong nabubuong nagsisimula na romantic connection. Parang may crush ganyan. What is the Nine of Pentacles? Wow, the Chariot. Grabe, oh. When it comes to your finances, kaperahan, maganda yung takbo ng inyong finances. Kung kayo may business, maganda yung takbo ng negosyo, maraming sales. Kung kayo ay nasa social media, may mga collaborations, mas tataas yung views ng mga contents mo. This is about success and also making a decision which path to take. And I think, ano man tong decision mo, doon ka mas magiging successful. May peace and harmony. Siguro, ang isa sa magkakaroon ka ng conflict with, pwedeng katrabaho mo, tas kaibigan mo rin siya. Someone will help you in a stressful situation pagdating sa trabaho or sa pera. So, kung mangailangan ka ng iyong kaperahan, merong tutulong sa'yo. Yung iba naman sa inyo, you are healing from your past mistake, pagdating sa pera. The Sun. Very positive tong energy na to. Five of Pentacles. This is about solution to your problems, okay? Sa finances mo. I think ngayon, you are finally realizing your true power. Pwede rin meron kang katrabaho na makikilala mo ng totoo yung kanyang ugali. So, pag hindi mo gusto yung ugali niya, di maiiwasan mo na siya. Diba? Your relationship, wedding, patience. Siguro meron kayo ngayong plano, na mag-asawa na. Or napag-uusapan na ang wedding plans. But, hindi nyo naman kailangan madaliin. Oo. Nako. Hindi naman magre-resonate para sa lahat to, but I can see some issue if you are planning to get married or engaged na kayo. Possible na merong can be matutuklasan na anything unhealthy sa relationship ninyo, or pwedeng may temptation sa paligid. You may be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or Aries. pwedeng magkakaroon ng jealousy, selos-selos, no? Tapos maging reason kung bakit kayo magkaka-issue, magkakaaway ng person mo. So you have the energy ng Cancer, mystery, and the third house. I feel like mas magiging very active ka ngayon sa social media. Kung nandyan yung business mo, nandyan yung career mo. You will also be focusing more on taking care of your loved ones, family, and mas magiging intuitive ka, no? Mas mas lalakas ang iyong intuition, yung instinct mo. And I think you will be also focusing more on your spirituality, your belief system. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye.